In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix RTC connecting on Discord. If you've seen RTC connecting stuck at the top of a voice call, that usually means Discord is having trouble establishing a real-time voice connection. We'll walk through the key settings to check, then reset them if needed, and finally restart the app so you can get back to chatting. Start by opening Discord and heading into user settings. You'll find the gear icon near your avatar at the bottom of the app. Once you're inside, look for the voice and video section in the app settings menu. This is where all the audio options live and where we'll do most of our troubleshooting. Inside voice and video, go to the voice area. First, confirm the right devices are selected, set your input device to the microphone you actually use, and your output device to the speakers or headset you're listening on. If you're not sure which is which, try them one by one. Use the mic test to see the input bar move when you speak, and run a quick output test to confirm you can hear audio back. Next, check input mode. If you want your voice to be picked up automatically, choose voice activity. If you prefer a key bind, choose push to talk and make sure your push to talk key is one you can reliably press. Under sensitivity, auto is a safe default. If you switch to manual, make sure the slider is not set so high that your normal speaking voice isn't detected. Take a look at the processing options like echo cancellation and noise suppression. These are generally helpful and should be on for most people, especially if you're not using headphones. Leave advanced options alone unless you know you've changed them previously. If you're still stuck on RTC connecting after confirming those settings, let's reset everything. Stay in voice and video, scroll to the debugging or reset section and click Reset Voice and Video Settings. When Discord asks you to confirm, click OK. This puts all audio options back to their defaults, which often clears up misconfigurations. To finish, fully restart the Discord desktop app, open your system's task manager, find Discord in the list of processes, and click End Task. This closes any background processes that might hang on to old settings, then relaunch Discord, join a voice channel, and give it a test. In most cases, the combination of checking devices and modes, resetting voice and video, and restarting the app resolves the RTC connecting issue. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back in the conversation without interruptions.